Hello Siacoin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again I'm present with another emergency update of Siacoin. My friends, if you watch this video completely, so maybe there's a chance that you will get a good amount of profit from a Siacoin, and if you miss, so there is a chance that you will lose in the cryptocurrencies market. Keep watch till the end, and if you are new to my channel, please also make to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. First of all, we discuss the latest price update of the Siacoin in this video, and after that we discuss what will be the next move, what will be the next target of Siacoin are coming soon in the market. So the latest price of the Siacoin in this time in the market is 0.016507 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the Siacoin, and I have good news for all of you, my friends. At this time, the last 1 hour and last 1 day, the both changes is going positive. Absolutely, that's a good idea. That's a good news for all Siacoin holders that at this time, the all coin, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, Shiba, this coin is completely going down. But at this time, Siacoin is only going positive, my friends. Last 1 hour and last 1 day, the both changes is going positive, so that's a good news for Siacoin holders, and I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change occur in the Siacoin, my friends. But on the other side, the last 1 week price change is negative. People ask me questions about that when will the last 1 week price change become positive, my friends. Very soon, and 1 day the price change of the 1 week become positive, and 1 day, my friends, maybe in 1 hour the price become positive last 1 week. If they take a quick jump, so in 1 hour it is possible that the price change become positive. Let's see, my friends, and let's try to detect the next move, next target of the Siacoin in the market. My friends, from the price chart of the Siacoin, that's clear that they have a complicated situation at this time in the market. In the previous time, the price of Siacoin is completely fast down, but now in the last days, the price change is complicated. Fast down, take a jump, fast down, take a jump, fast down, take a jump. So we can't say about the future of cryptocurrencies market, but my friends, my prediction is 70% in this time there is a chance to the price pump in the future, and 30% chances to the price falls down. That is my prediction, and maybe a lot of chances to the price pump because the previous change is negative. So now at this time they have a lot of possibilities to the price pump in the future. Anyways, we can't say about the future, but my technical analysis tells us that there is a chance to the price pump in the future. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Siacoin? Please also tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.